Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Mickisha868. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. First things first, if you're new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe. Also hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos. And for everyone that has been rocking with me, thank you guys so much for the support. I truly appreciate it. So as you guys can see from the title, this video is on my BetterLength clippings, and it comes in this nice pouch bag with drawstring, and it's completely satin, so it's a nice place to store your hair after you're done using it until the next time. So the specs on the hair, I got the Afro Kinky clipping set in 3c-4a textures. It's 100% human virgin hair, Afro Kinky curly. The one bundle comes with 10 pieces, and I got it in 18 inches in a natural color. So after saturating the hair with water, I go ahead and start shampooing the hair. I'm using the Garnier Whole Blends shampoo, but you can use any shampoo. I go ahead and work the shampoo in, make sure the hair is fully shampooed and clean. Once I'm done shampooing, I go ahead and rinse the hair out completely, totally. Rinse it all the way out. And then I use my deep conditioner that I love for any weaves, wigs, anything like that. I always use the silicone mix. Conditioner, to me, it's amazing on weaves and things like that. I've been using it for years, almost 10 years now, maybe even more. So I definitely love this. So I applied that on the hair. Make sure it's completely saturated. I opened up the hair, made sure like each piece had some conditioner on there. On the side, you can see all of my shedded hair from this wash process. One thing I'll tell you about kinky, curly, or just curly hair in general, you're going to get some shedding. Then I place the hair in a plastic bag. Don't judge me. I placed it in this plastic bag and I just let it sit there and deep condition for a bit. Let it soak up all the deep conditioner. I placed it for about a half an hour and just left it alone. So after the half an hour has passed, I pick the hair up and I start rinsing out the conditioner. So with the conditioner, I'm not rinsing it out completely. I'm leaving some of it in for it's like a leave-in conditioner type of deal. And this conditioner makes your hair feel so soft. I haven't tried it on my natural hairs yet, but it is amazing. So I fully detangled the hair and I use that wide tooth pin comb just to make sure it's fully detangled. Then I separated the wefts on my towel rack in my bathroom just so that everything can dry. And I actually left the wefts on here for about 3 days. Guys, and my hair is 4 inches long. 4 inches. Guys, my hair is 12 inches long. It's been in these twists all week. Cute. I'll fix this side as well. So this is my first time putting in clip-ins in my hair. I'm so excited. And my birthday is on Wednesday. Today is Saturday. So I'm setting this for church tomorrow. But this is my planned hairstyle for my birthday and for my sister's wedding. So I'm hoping that these clip-ins work for me. I think they will. I hope they will. And my hair looks dry, but trust me, my hair is moisturized. So I'm gonna have the clip-ins in the back over my twist. I'm gonna pin my twist down. Just because I don't know how my hair is gonna react in different humidity. So I just want my hair to be completely tucked away. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna achieve that. So that's twisted up. Alright, so that's how the back looks. Everything is tucked away. So I'm going to start with the clip-ins. And the clips come out like this. So let me see. So I'm just going to clip it in. I see that length, inches. So I'm just going to keep layering it all the way up. And this is 18-inch clip-ins. So now this is my first one with 4. Guys, I think this actually looks cute just as a wash and go as well. It still looks cute just like this. I don't even know if I'm gonna really do, I was gonna do a twist out with it, but honestly I like the way it looks as a wash and go. I really do. I'm gonna go ahead and clip this one in. So right here I'm doing the same thing. I'm laying the clipping right across and just clipping that right into place. By the way, in this video I had just gotten off work and super tired. It's pretty late and I'm just trying to get this in for church the following day. So for this part, I'm taking out pieces of hair from the clippings to cover the weft, as well as add to my natural hair in the front to create the flat twist. I also recorded a video styling these clippings as a twist out. If you guys would like to see that video, comment down below. That also came out really cute. So I've just pinned the ends of the flat twist and wrapped it around the weft to conceal it, and it looks pretty cute. Definitely feeling it. Jamming out a little bit. Super cute. So I decided to use this African print scarf that I have and just to put it over the area with the twists to conceal the wefts and the twists and everything, and I actually like this a lot. So I'm just tying the scarf. I folded the scarf, as you guys could see, and then I'm just tying the scarf at the back. Super cute. So once again, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. A lot of people are watching my videos, but you guys are not subscribed. So go ahead and subscribe. Right here, I'm just jamming out a little bit again. So here are the final results. I definitely love the hair with the scarf. It gives a nice, cute, fresh touch to it. These clippings are amazing. Don't forget, if you guys would like to see the video with me doing the twist out with the hair, let me know. I'll edit that and put it up for you guys. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Flame. All who did not know me when not done, they gon' know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.